Yes, we are in Hillary Bridge. Right now, we are in the entry point of Everest. So far, so good. And this one is longest bridge in this region. I think so, and deepest also. And there is bungee jump. This is first bungee jump in Everest region, but I don't want to do. And here we go. We are Today we are going to Namsi Bazaar. This is Utkarshi River. It's coming from Mount Everest, and this is a Bodikushi River. Last year there was a flooding, big flooding. It's broken leg and above the tummy. There we go. Weather is so clean, and we are going walking like this.